Alright, hard to start, runs rough, or when you pull it, just yanks the cord out of your hand. Take a look at that flywheel key. It needs to be square, like a square key. And as you can see, that is not very square anymore. Here's a new one, if I can get it out of this package here, where I can show you, but this is what it's supposed to look like. See how it's squared, or a rectangle, or a box? You can see that one there is sheared, so it might steer you the wrong direction when you're, or working on a machine that's in here for hard to start or won't start. That's usually the problem. Actually, I take that back. That's not usually the problem, but that can be the problem.